Interior CS coming in and saying he doesn't know. When the president says he doesn't know, so who exactly is abducting Kenyans? And you see, it begs the question, how secure is the country then if the Interior Cabinet Secretary has absolutely no surveillance and awareness of what is happening for his citizens? And all these questions bug the whole idea of what exactly are the priorities of the government.
Within the month of December alone, we have got more than 13 individuals that have been abducted by people whom we strongly believe are state security agents and operatives. And we are disturbed that the government, in its own wisdom or lack of it, has come out to deny that they are not involved. But even just apart from denying, they have tried to behave like the people that are abducting Kenyans are not Kenyans. And then that begs the question, are we safe in Ruto's hands?
So we've been on the streets, really, and we understand that the language of the streets is understood most by a government like the one we have now. So because we tried dialogue, we tried calling people to have a conversation, we tried online mobilization and all that, but that didn't work. So that's why we went for the language of the streets. About those that have